Have you ever thought about a career where you genuinely make a difference every single day? Where your work matters, your compassion counts, and you're part of something bigger? If so, becoming a nursing assistant in the UK could be the perfect path for you. Nursing assistants, also known as healthcare assistants, play a vital role in hospitals, care homes, and community settings. You'll support nurses, care for patients, and help people with everyday needs such as mobility, hygiene, meals, and emotional support. It's hands-on, meaningful work, and for many, it's the first step into a long and rewarding healthcare career. Healthcare is one of the fastest-growing sectors in the UK, with constant demand for skilled, caring professionals. As a nursing assistant, you'll gain practical experience, job stability, and the satisfaction of knowing your work truly matters. Many people also use this role as a stepping stone into nursing, midwifery, or other healthcare professions. That's where our online nursing assistant course comes in. Designed specifically for UK learners, this course gives you the essential knowledge, skills, and confidence to get started, without needing to attend a classroom. You'll learn about patient care, infection control, communication skills, safeguarding, and professional standards used across the UK healthcare system, including settings linked to the NHS. The course is fully online, meaning you can study at your own pace, around your existing work or family commitments. Whether you're changing careers, returning to work, or just starting out, this flexible approach puts you in control of your learning. No prior healthcare experience? No problem. All you need is a caring attitude, a willingness to learn, and a desire to help others. Everything else is taught step by step in clear, easy-to-follow lessons. If you're ready to build a meaningful career and make a real impact, start your journey today. Become a nursing assistant in the UK.